We often think of the gut and brain as two separate systems. One digests food, the other processes thoughts and emotions. But what if I told you they're constantly talking to each other? What if your anxiety, low mood, or brain fog isn't just in your head, but actually starts in your gut? In today's video, we're exploring the powerful link between gut health and mood, how your gut influences mental health, and what you can do to feel better, starting from the inside out. Your gut is home to something incredible, the gut microbiome. It's made up of trillions of microbes, bacteria, fungi, viruses, and more, all living inside your digestive tract. But these microbes don't just help break down food. They affect your metabolism, your immune response, your hormones, and most importantly, your brain chemistry. You see, your gut produces neurotransmitters. Those feel-good chemicals your brain relies on. In fact, about 90% of your serotonin, the mood-regulating hormone, is made in your gut, not your brain. That's why researchers often call the gut our second brain. So how does this gut-brain connection actually work? It's through something called the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication system between your gut and your central nervous system. This connection uses the vagus nerve, a highway of signals between your brain and digestive tract, chemical messengers like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, and the immune system, which plays a major role in brain inflammation. When your gut is healthy, this communication is smooth and balanced. But when it's out of sync, because of inflammation, poor diet, or imbalanced gut bacteria, your mood often suffers too. Let's look at some real-life signs that your gut might be affecting your brain. Do you often feel bloated, constipated, or have irregular bowel movements, and also experience anxiety, irritability, or low mood? Do you struggle with brain fog, poor focus, or low motivation despite getting enough sleep? These could all be signs of gut-brain imbalance. In fact, people with IBS, a common gut disorder, are much more likely to experience anxiety and depression. This isn't just psychological, it's biological. Inflammation in the gut triggers inflammation in the brain, which can disrupt mood regulation and emotional stability. So what damages the gut, and why does it affect the mind? Let's break it down. Poor diet, especially high in sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods, feeds the wrong types of bacteria. Antibiotics, while sometimes necessary, wipe out both bad and good gut bacteria. Chronic stress can shrink beneficial gut flora and increase inflammation. Lack of sleep disturbs gut bacteria rhythm and increases cortisol. And low fiber intake starves the good bacteria that help make calming brain chemicals. These changes in your gut can trigger something called leaky gut, where the intestinal barrier becomes too porous. Toxins and inflammatory molecules leak into the bloodstream and can affect the brain, leading to mood swings, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Now here's the good news. You can support your mental health by healing your gut. Let's talk about what actually helps. Start with your diet. Eat more prebiotic fiber found in garlic, onions, bananas, oats, apples, and legumes. These feed your good bacteria. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. They provide live probiotics. Consider a high-quality probiotic supplement, especially after antibiotics. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and artificial sweeteners, especially aspartame. They've been shown to disrupt the gut-brain axis. Drink enough water and reduce alcohol, which irritates the gut lining. Next, manage your stress. Practice deep breathing, mindfulness, or even a few minutes of meditation a day. Moderate exercise, like walking or yoga, improves gut diversity and brain chemistry. And don't forget sleep. Your gut microbiome has a daily rhythm, just like you. Poor sleep throws it off balance. One more thing, be patient. Healing your gut and feeling better mentally doesn't happen overnight. But within just a few weeks of consistent habits, many people notice better digestion, a more stable mood, reduced anxiety, and even clearer thinking. This is the power of the gut-brain connection. So the next time you're feeling low, anxious, or emotionally off, don't just ask what's going on in your mind, ask what's going on in your gut. Because mental health doesn't just start in your brain, it starts in your belly. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who could use this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more health insights every week. Remember, your mood is not just a mindset, it's also a microbiome.